When it comes to pricing your offers, I find experts, this probably won't come as news to anyone who's watching this, but I find experts tend to underprice. And there are a few reasons for that, right? Sometimes it's confidence. Sometimes it's, who am I to charge and what will people say? There's all that head trash. And it's really important to work past that. But a big part of it is also just not appreciating just how valuable the work they do is. And it comes from just a blind spot that a lot of experts have, which is if you are good enough at something to help someone else with it, that means, again, you're good at it. You're very good at it. And what's very easy, what we're very good at tends to be easy for us. That's the nature of being good at something, right? It's easier for you than someone for whom it isn't easy. It doesn't come so natural. They don't have your experience. And when we're doing something that is easy for us, it becomes easy to discount the value. It's like, oh yeah, that was easy. That was no big deal. It's really hard to play in your zone of genius where you're doing things that are really easy for you, because most of what you do should be really easy for you. That means you're doing stuff you're really good at. Like, think about the opposite. If you're doing stuff that feels really hard to you, you're probably not very good at it. How could you possibly make a lot of money spending most of your time doing stuff you're not even that good at, right? So you should be in your zone of, yeah, this feels easy. But you also need to be able to take the perspective of someone who doesn't have your skills and look at it from the outside and be like, wow, that's impressive. That's really valuable. I think it's Fitzgerald who said that the mark of intelligence is being able to hold two opposing ideas in your mind at the same time and still function. This is definitely one of those challenges that calls for that.